Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find backup camera, lane departure warning, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, low tire pressure warning. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.